Let's take a look at the classic side view of the dragon. And this is me kind of explaining some of the sheets, some of the worksheets that they're a good point for you to start out with. And what I mean by the classic side view of the dragon is this is the dragon that has the legs, and instead of arms, it has wings. So you can see I just pretty much got a simple oval shape there. And I have much more of a boxier shape for the second section where the arms are going to go. I made a little note that it is strong. The head is going to be more triangular because we want our dragon to be very powerful. And so I'm making this nice little sweeping line here, a little S curve. I'm curving it in. I'm making this dragon a bit more muscular. I want to give it some power and strength. And I'm going to go ahead and just bringing this around. All I'm doing, this is just me shaping the dragon. So I'm just giving it this tail. And you can see how I just made it one. I tried to make it one continuous line. I put the arbitrary or the ubiquitous triangular looking tail. Or it could be spiked. It could be however you want it to be. Simple shape right here. More of a triangular shape. Very, very simple. When we're designing, we want to keep it simple. No reason to start refining anything right now. I got the little drumstick down there, and I got the feet, the foot, and then I have the claws. So now I am looking at where the arms and or wings would be going. And I'm also putting in the fact that this is going to be the pecs, your pectoralis muscle. The dragon is going to have kind of the same thing because it's going to give it that classic dragon look. Upper arm, lower arm, and those are going to be the fingers, right? Or more or less the fingers. And what that is those are going to represent the wings. And so there is a section, of course, on wings later on, but right now I do want you to just kind of take a look and keep in mind that what you're drawing with this classic version of the dragon, you are simply drawing the arms and the wings themselves. The bat part of the wings themselves are very close to arms, or they are essentially the dragon's arms. Now here I made this dragon a little bit longer. The neck is really, really long, kind of that Game of Thrones kind of dragon. And I'm just making this very sleek. So this is a much more speed oriented dragon. And it's just a version of that. And the same principle is going to apply. I'm putting in the arms and legs. It always helps me a lot when I'm drawing more animal type creatures, whether it be a dragon or whether it be an animal, an animalistic. I always think in terms the arms are in the front, the legs are in the back, because when you start studying animal anatomy, you will see that the front legs really do tend to bend and behave like arms. And so I'm going back here and I'm just drawing in some legs there. Drawing in the upper thigh. That's going to be the upper thigh. Well, there's only one thigh. And then I'm drawing in the lower leg. And I'm also drawing in some sort of version of a foot. I'm not really worried about it at this point. I just want you to know that it is there. And I could even stand to make that tail super, super, super long. And of course, I'm not really going to too much stress out about drawing in the wings, but that would be the start. That would be the upper arm. That's where the wings would start. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this. And I do encourage you to take a look at the classic dragon side view and give it a try for yourself. Draw a few of them.